To install WordPress into your Windows 11, just go to Xampp and then click on download and get the first link and click here and wait for it to start downloading. If it does not, just click on the download latest version and then shortly it will start downloading. I have already installed here, so I am going to stop this and then click on open and click on yes. Stop this. Okay, now click on OK and then next and then next and then next and then next and then next. Now wait for it to install. Now once it is finished installing, just click on finish and it will open the Xampp. Open the Apache, start the Apache and then MySQL and then go to services. Okay, now open your localhost 80. As you can see, Xampp is up. Now we have to install WordPress. So click on WordPress download. Here click on this. I have already installed. After extracting the WordPress file, just click on open and then copy this whole folder. Then go to Explorer. Here go to your htdocs and then paste it here. Now open your WordPress folder and then go to WordPress config sample.php file and then rename it to wp config sample wp-config.php. okay, and then open in VS Code or any editor and then make it WordPress, username to root, password to nothing, and then click on save and then close this. And now make a new database called WordPress. Now open WordPress. Now click on continue. Now click on username and put this, and just keep the password as admin as well. Do the mail click on install WordPress. Now click on login. And now you have your WordPress locally running, which you can use it to build custom WordPress plugin or something like that. Thank you for watching.